Hey guys, Chris, Jamie, and Pops here from Tillman Family Farm. So it's December 26th and the farm work never stops. This big magnolia tree that is right there has got to come down. It's in the way of progress. So we put an electrical service on this garage that will eventually become a farm store. And that tree right there is in the way. We're going to put a walk-in freezer right here sometime this year. So tree's got to come down. Plus, it would have been blocked in from all these overhead electrical lines. So a little bit of work. We'll cut it when he gets on the ground. I mean, I can handle the whole thing. Okay. Hey guys, sorry for the crappy introduction there, but it is New Year's Eve. We started trimming the limbs on this tree on December 26th, day after Christmas. I have a very old friend of mine, Kyle. He's over there hiding on the other side of the truck. He's done this a lot, and he has volunteered to get himself into this. This tree, of course, y'all have seen many videos of us cutting trees down, but this tree is really close to this building. Kind of makes me nervous. He's a whole lot better at this than I am, so it's a blessing to have him here with us today. But I'm going to show you guys. We got this one big limb on the other side that's hanging over that garage. Show you what we got set up, and we're going to wait for my wife, who's selling chickens somewhere on this property, and we'll show you how we plan on getting that limb down without smushing the roof, we hope. This is the limb in question. This is the roof we're gonna try not to tear up. So Kyle volunteered to climb up in the tree, and we have a cable, not a rope, a cable, way out here on this end. And I know you can't see it, it kind of disappears in the branches, but have it up over some limbs over there so that we can kind of start cutting on this and use the cable to the tractor to hopefully lower that limb to the roof so that we can cut up the most of it and then get the rest of it off. So we're gonna finish getting set up for that. I'm gonna move this camera around a little bit and wait for our other helper, and we'll get to cutting. gotten ourselves to the moment of truth. We have a cable attached up high. You can see that cable running through there. We got it all the way out to the base of a tree out there by the fence. We had it come along hooked up. Kyle is gonna cut a notch on this side of the tree, pretty good notch, or a wedge rather. And then once we get it to that point, we're gonna ratchet it down a couple times, and then he's gonna cut from the back side, so forth and so on. And we'll see if we can't get this thing down without tearing up that power line right there. And of course, our detached garage that will soon be our farm store. Don't want to miss this. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this one. As you can see, we've still got a lot of cleanup behind us. It's New Year's Day now. We're going to process a few chickens later on. We got a big New Year's Day meal that we always eat every year. So we're going to get out of here on this one. Happy New Year's to you guys. And if you haven't done so, please like and subscribe. And we will see you on the next video.